Spare parts manufacturers need plenty of parts on hand in case something breaks. That's their business model. But no one knows what will break and when, so they have to stock a variety of parts in large quantities. That's expensive and inefficient. The rise of on-demand 3D printing means that in theory, those manufacturers could soon print parts only once they're needed. But Jeannette Song, an operations professor at Duke University's Fuqua School of Business, found it's not quite that simple. 3D printing takes time, which means not having parts on hand exactly when they're needed. That's a problem. Utility companies, for example, use a lot of parts and need them fast when power goes out. They have huge warehouses in every market to guarantee a responsive parts supply, and it's not feasible for them to wait for a part to be printed. Song found a hybrid approach, having some parts on hand and printing others when needed, works best for most companies. Abandoning all inventory is too risky, but printing certain parts on demand can save money. What's difficult is knowing which to print and which to stock. So Song created a mathematical model that, for a given firm, can calculate which parts are likely to be needed more often and should be kept in stock, and which parts can be printed on demand, without diminishing a firm's ability to function effectively. In most cases, Song found most manufacturers would not even use the 3D printer much, but could save a lot of money. Ultimately, a little flexibility goes a long way.